I was working with Tata Steel in finance and accounts, and we hated audit, the internal auditors. So this particular position of internal audit came out in Trent. I applied to it and I got through the role without knowing much about internal audit. Initially, to be very honest, I wasn't enjoying at all because the tables had turned by that time. Slowly, I started loving it, and now I want to build my career around it. I think the diversity that I get to see in my work is something which is generally not there in something, like finance and accounts where you work in a set of process you're looking at. Here I am able to see right from buying, sourcing, merchandising, even marketing, HR. So there's a whole gamut of processes that I can review being in internal audit. This is something which has always made me love my profession. When I joined Trent in 2013, I didn't know about retail at all. It was quite new for me, the industry as well as the role, internal audit. In 2015, I joined back after my maternity break. And like most of the women, I was a little apprehensive about my career at that point because I was just about 2 years in Trent. But something remarkable happened. There was this big project which was being undertaken by Trent, something to do with regulatory changes in financial controls. At that time, the then CFO, Mr. Venkat, who's our CEO now, and head of audit, Mr. Atul, they did something which actually made me feel valued as an individual. So they had so much of trust in me that they gave me an opportunity to lead that project along with a colleague from finance. Now, can you believe leading a project right after when you have joined back from your maternity leave? So this was something which I felt is not usual, and this shows how the leadership team in Trent thinks about their colleagues, their team members. They walk the talk in my view, and it's quite a magical journey for me since then. I have a personal favorite mantra, I call it. So if you have read this book by Stephen Covey, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. So the 4th habit is something which has stuck with me ever since I've read that book. And I use this for my personal as well as professional, both spheres in my life. And it's called win-win. So it is the mindset that in every transaction, interaction, there is a possibility to have a win-win situation. When you are asking for data, so my job requires a lot of data from the teams. At times they are tied up, they are busy, they might not have the bandwidth to give the data. It is an additional burden for them. But my job needs me to work on those data points. So how do I make it win-win? So what I do, I generally request them to give me the data, and in return, what we do is we give them an insight out of that data. So that helps them having an outside-in perspective, from a standpoint of an independent department looking at their processes and giving them their perspective. So the most rewarding part of my work would be the difference that I am able to bring to the organization by getting to improve the processes, to improve the controls and checks and balances. It starts right from, flagging any gap in the processes or any area of improvements, and then seeing it translate into action by implementing those recommendations and eventually seeing the impact on the processes improvements. So these things make me feel satisfied and happy that my work is being valued and things are improving in the organization. I personally feel that when we say work and life, they are not two diametrically opposite elements in our world. Work is a subset of life, and life encompasses work. In Trent, we are chasing a dream, I would say, a dream to build a brand. Everything rest will follow. And Definitely, it requires a lot of great amount of efforts in terms of working hours at times. It also requires higher passion, I would say, than it, maybe 5 years ago, how we were. It requires more creativity, more experimenting with new things, maybe failing at times. This message is especially for the young mothers with young children. I can assure you, ladies, that being in Trent, I have been able to manage work and life quite efficiently. An example of this statement would be, when my son most of the times tells me that I want to go to your office, because he knows the people, the colleagues, the team members, and he likes them all. In a nutshell, I personally strongly feel that if you're happy at work, you will be definitely happy at home. So in my personal view, I would love to see Trent and its brands on a global platform, like a brand which is built in India by Indians, taken to such a level wherein people would take pride in owning our products.